Wouldn't it be nice knowing that you have the ability to monitor and protect what matters most to you, no matter where you happen to be, and view all of your cameras from one location? Well, now you can. Introducing EZVIZ wired surveillance camera kits, the first ever connected home-ready wired surveillance kits. Your all-in-one 24/7 total security solutions. EZVIZ wired surveillance camera kits are connected home-ready, working with all your favorite smart home and LOT devices, and providing voice control through Amazon Echo. They also offer you a superior quality experience to ensure optimal protection of your home or business. Easy to use, easier to install. Your system will be operational in no time. And with the innovative EZVIZ app, you'll have round-the-clock access to your system from your smartphone, tablet, or even laptop, all in stunning live streaming HD video. The EZVIZ app even allows you to monitor and manage multiple systems with a simple single-access sign-in. Whether you're installing a new system or expanding and upgrading your current system, the quick plug-and-play setup connects using BNC coaxial cables for analog or PoE cables for IP. And speaking of cameras, EZVIZ wired surveillance camera kits include the latest in high-performance weatherproof bullet cameras. The cameras also feature HD nighttime vision up to 100 feet, are IP66 weatherproof rated, and are operational at temperatures ranging from -40 to 140 degrees. Included with EZVIZ wired surveillance camera kits is the WD Purple hard drive, the first choice among professionals in the security industry. So no matter what you wish to protect or wherever life takes you, you can now monitor and manage using the most advanced security systems available. EZVIZ wired surveillance camera kits. EZVIZ. Life visualized.